Hello there and welcome to another pyramid video. So in this video what we are going to do is to see how you can handle requests and responses and what type of parameters you have. So in the previous video we have created our folder and let's activate it. And what we would like to do now is to create another script. So vi ric resp ons.py, and from wsgi ref.simple server we import the make server, and from pyramid.config we import the configurator, and from pyramid.response we import the response. Alright, now what we would like to do is to create our if_name statement, and here we use the with statement with configurator as config. We would like to have the add route function, and we would like to add the hello to the default context route, and the config.add view, and use the hello world, and the route name is going to be hello, and we can create our server with the make server, and it is going to run on the listen on all the interfaces. 6543 is the port, and we pass the application, and the server is going to serve forever. And we need to create our app with the config.make wsgi app. Alright, now we can define our hello world, and we pass the following argument. So the response, the request is going to be passed, and what we would like to have is the URL from the request.url, and the name is going to be an argument which is going to come from the URL itself. So the request.params.get name, and what we can do is to specify a default argument in case the name is not specified. So let's say it's not provided. And now we can create a body. So this body is going to say that the URL that was hit is the URL, and the name contains the name. And we return the response, and the content type is going to be text plain, and the body is going to be the body. Now let's save it and run it. So Python ric response. What? So hello world is not defined. What do you mean by that? Why do you do this? So hello world. Why it should be? So add view def. Oh, it's hell world. Well, this is hell, but anyway. Now if we open up a Firefox and go to the HTTP column 0.0.06543, you can see that the name argument is not defined, but the minute I say that name is equals Daniel, it says that the name argument is Daniel. And we could add other arguments, so age equals 31. And what I would like to show you is this. So let's add the age, and this is going to come here, and let's call it age. We leave the default as not provided, and the age should point to the age variable. Now if we rerun this, what you will see after I refresh this browser is that we have successfully got the argument as well. And we could also check out the following. So what if I want to print out the whole request? So request and request. Let's refresh it, and as you can see, this is how the request is going to look like. That was passed to the browser. So this is basically all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.